department is working on many research projects. There are many research scholars in the department. Department has organized many events throughout the session. Department has organized international conference, International Women's Day, short-term courses on different subjects, Teachers' Day celebrations, female faculty cricket match, short-term courses. So these are the things which the this site tells us about the department. So there are some important links for the students. Central facilities. If you click on here, these are the facilities. If students go into the details of hostel, health center, establishment branch, accounts branch, then there is English Punjabi course is also available here. The placement, if I click on here, this side will open. This is the information related to the companies which visited the department. And one good news about the department is that from last two sessions our students got 100% placement in the reputed companies. These are some glimpses of the placement drives. They are clicking the photographs by our worthy Vice Chancellor Dr. B.S. Ghummanji. Department is working on placing the students in reputed companies. We are having the pre-placement committees where the students get training for their industrial exposure, in which expert lectures, workshops, hand-on practice, many other things are to be organized for making them professional. These are the glimpses. So the one positive thing about the department and for the students who are going to take admission in EC department is that we are having the 100% placement in EC department. So coming back to this main page of the Punjabi University, I'm telling you about the icons on the right side of my screen. Admission notice, admission 2020, NEERAF 2020. If you click on here, admissions 2020, this web page will open where the students can register for online forms. um, these are the details: home, staff login, student login, application form, handbook, important link. All these are the links which are for the students who are new user and who got registered in for the admission purpose. So this page gives us some important informations. Online application procedure. In this, the steps are mentioned how to get registered in the for the online form. Step 1, registration procedure, in which open www.pupadmissions.ac.in, select the course category in which you seek admission, fill the registration form online. Kindly fill your particulars as name, father's name, date of birth, category, mobile number, email address, etc. Make payment using one of the following: online, debit, credit card, or net banking. When you complete this first step, then the second step is the application form. When this first step is complete, a login ID is generated for the student, as here I am showing students dashboard login. When that step is complete, the student will fill here his username, password, and then the admission form will open. I'm going back. Then the second step starts. There is the button when you open pupadmissions.ac.in, open the application form by logging on apply button in the concerned course category. As I'm talking about the electronics and communication engineering and electronics and computer engineering, you choose these two branches and proceed the registration steps. Fill the application form online and provide information regarding your academic record, reservation category, and etc. After completion of the application form, click on the save button. Then there is a edit option in the application form. If by mistake you put some wrong details, you can edit your application form. The registration form the registered candidates can edit information filled by them in the application form for the limited period using user ID and password issued to them. This user ID and password is issued to them in the registration process in the first process. Then they can take the print of the form. Registered candidates whose payment has been confirmed and who have successfully completed step 2 can print their application form for their personal record using user ID and password. So uh, this is the procedure how to fill the online application form. As these days students are filling, so I am exploring the steps, I am telling the steps in details. And then this is the fees structure. Application processing fee: courses in which the admission is without entrance test is 1000, and for the category it is 700 for SC and ST students. For journal it is 1000. BTech 4-year programs it is 2000 and for journal students, and 1400 for the SC and ST students. This is the important checklist. These are the documents which are mandatory for the student at the time of admission. These certificates are to be provided at the time of the admission, at the time of interview. They are self-attested copies. The certificate names are date of birth certificate, DMC of all examinations, character certificate from the institute last attended, gap certificate if any, necessary certificate from employer if the student is employed somewhere, residence or domicile certificate, certificate for availing the benefit of a reserved category, then any other document supporting your candidature as per university online admission brochure. These are some important checklist which has, these are the certificates which the student has to bring at the time of interview. So these are the details about the department and the procedure for online admission form. And I hope I give you the required information about the department and about the Punjabi University. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video so that the bright students can get the chance to work in the government institute, as government institutes are for the bright students and they can avail the opportunities given by the government. Thank you.